how to enable voice commands in Gemini. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to enable voice commands in Google Gemini so you can talk to Gemini hands-free. So let's get started. Open up your Google Chrome and then head over to gemini.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with a Google account, and then once you're in the chat window, look at the bottom right corner of the message box. You will see a microphone icon. So this is where the voice input happens. Just tap on it and then a browser will pop up asking for mic permission. Hit allow. This has been allowed. Now, if you tap on it and then you can just hit send. So now you can say things like summarize this paragraph, write an email for me, explain photosynthesis, and then you won't have to type anything, just the microphone will make the task a lot easier. And that's it. That's how you enable voice commands in Gemini. It's super simple and makes using Gemini much faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.